Hey guys, on today's meal prep video, I am serving some delicious veggie shrimp stir fry and potato wedges. Quick and easy lunch meal for the week. And we normally go with a bottle of water and avoid the sweet beverage. We're trying to unbake the back. Alright, so I'm going to share some of my shrimp veggie stir fry in each of the container. Now I'm going to add 5 slices of potato wedges in each of my container to serve with my veggie shrimp stir fry, and this will be my lunch for the week. Let me know in the comments if you are a person who can just eat one set of food for the week, or you have to change it up a bit. Just leave a comment down below and let me know what you think. And don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're new, and until next time, stay safe.